Hello, lettering friend. Welcome to the yellow episode in my Rainbow Style series. These are all of my yellow pens. Yellow is really hard to film. Let's just get into it. Like you've seen before, we're starting with the stripe to give it that cascading rainbow look. It's gonna look so cool when it's all done. And as you can see, the color does feel a little bit weird. There is a reason that I don't use yellow markers very often, and that's because they don't show up very well on camera. So for the most part, you can see them here. There's some that are a little bit off, but mostly I just wanted to show you the pens that I'm using, and I'm sharing what each pen is, and they're all linked in my Amazon favorites below. And you can still see what styles I'm using, even though the yellow is a little bit hard to see. But I really wanted to continue with these rainbow color series, so we've got to have a yellow video. And just like in my other videos, I'm going to turn on some music so you can enjoy this real-time lettering, and I will link to the playlist with all of the rainbow videos. So I hope you enjoy this relaxing video, and I will see you in my next video.